Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to add music to your Kinemaster video editing app. So let's start. First open the Kinemaster app. Now tap on the big circle button with the plus icon and select an aspect ratio as you like. Now select a video footage and that footage will automatically be added to your timeline. Now to add music to this footage, tap on the music icon on the circle in the right hand side and select the music you like. And tap on the plus icon and the music will be added to your timeline. Now play to preview it. You can also change the settings as you like. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.